Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel. And today I will be teaching you how to find your favorites on TikTok. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to make sure that your TikTok app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your TikTok app. Once you have updated your TikTok app, just simply open it and then simply go to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen. And then, for the latest version of the TikTok app, you may be able to see favorites right here, which can be seen on the same section of your feed, of your private videos, your likes, and then the very last option is your favorite. However, if you are using the older version of TikTok, you may be able to see your favorites right here on the rightmost part of your edit profile. So again, just to recap, if you are using the newer version of TikTok, you may be able to see the favorites button right here on the same side of your feed, your private videos, and then your likes. But if you are using the older ones, you may be able to see it here on the rightmost part of edit profile. So once you click on your favorites option, you may be able to see these different options as well. So I suggest you would really update your TikTok app since you may be able to use these sections right here, which is very useful. So you may um, look for your favorite videos, your favorite collections, favorite sounds, effects, places, comments, questions, hashtags, and products. So that's it. That's how you can find your favorites on TikTok. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.